Thank you for attending this brief demonstration of the Third Wave Business Systems ShipEasy solution for SAP Business One. ShipEasy is Third Wave Business Systems' newest shipping solution. It is compatible with UPS, FedEx, and the U.S. Postal Service. In this demonstration today, we will show the seamless integration of ShipEasy within SAP Business One. We'll show how ShipEasy is a real-time solution, meaning it connects seamlessly to the carrier to relay and retrieve important shipping information related to that shipment. We will also show how users will now have access to rate shopping and address validation within a carrier. We'll also show how to create a multiple box shipment and show how those tracking numbers are made available within the SAP Business One solution. ShipEasy handles third-party billing, COD, and the normal prepay and add type scenarios. By integrating ShipEasy into SAP Business One, we now offer seamless integration where users do not ever have to leave SAP Business One to complete a shipment. ShipEasy is very configurable. You may want to upcharge some clients for special shipping handling charges based on your rules. ShipEasy can accommodate those needs. International shipments? No problem. ShipEasy and its web connection to the shipper's servers makes those documents readily available and convenient to use. Finally, we'll show how to create invoices effortlessly and seamlessly after the shipment has made in a delivery note. Now let's move on to the demo. Let's begin our demonstration of the Third Wave Business Systems ShipEasy solution for SAP Business One here at the Business Partner Master Data screen. As you can see, we've selected Norm Thompson as the business partner that we will work with today. Looking under the General tab, Shipping Type, we can see that UPS Ground has been selected as the normal shipping solution for the Norm Thompson organization. We do have the ability to override UPS Ground and change carriers and services. We can also change carriers and services at the sales order or the delivery screens. Let's take a look at the Address tab. You can see the normal Bill to, Ship to information in standard SAP Business One is available. However, we do see a new button has been added, Validate Address. The Validate Address button gives us the opportunity to go out to the UPS server in this case because Norm Thompson has been identified as a UPS ship type. Looking at the UPS address validation tool, we now have the ability to update addresses to be sure that we're shipping to a known address. If we had an incorrect address, we could simply select an address location, then say Choose, and we would update the Business Partner Master screen in SAP Business One. Looking at our user-defined fields, we also see that we have the ability to charge things like a handling charge for a business partner. We can charge handling charges by either a flat rate or by a percentage of a sales order. We can assign flat rates. We can assign percentages. We also have the ability to assign prepaid, freight collect, or maybe bill to a third party. As well, we can identify whether it is a residence shipment or a commercial shipment location we're sending to. Now let's move on and create a sales order. Let's move ahead and enter that sales order for the Norm Thompson account. We'll quickly add a date. We'll add an item. We'll make that for a quantity of 2 because we'll put those in separate boxes. Let's add the order. Let's quickly move back to the order, and you'll notice that a new button appears on the sales order. We now have the ability to do something known as shipping quotes or rate shopping. We can rate shop within the carrier service. As you may recall, Norm Thompson typically ships their products via UPS Ground. We can now come into the shipping quotes option and see the rates for either the selected service or get rates for all UPS services that are available for this ship-to location. In this example, we'll select Get Rates for all UPS services and simply select the Get Rates button. As you can see, the Rates in Transit window appears, where we can see the different services that are available for that ship-to location. Let's go ahead and override the UPS ground shipment and turn this into a UPS second-day air shipment. Simply highlight the line and select Choose. ShipEasy brings us back to the sales order screen, where we can now see the freight amount has changed based on the estimate in the Rates in Transit window we just looked at. Let's move ahead and convert this sales order to a delivery. I'm going to use the Copy To functionality to copy this sales order to a delivery, but understand things like Pick and Pack Manager in SAP Business One will work just as well, or whatever your normal business process would be to convert a sales order to a delivery. Let's go ahead and follow this process. Our delivery screen is populated. We're ready to ship. We've got one line item with 2 items. Let's go ahead and add this delivery. As you can see, a system message appears. Would you like to create and fill boxes after the delivery note is saved? Let's select Yes. After selecting Yes at the Create and Fill Boxes screen, we're brought to the ShipEasy shipping screen, which is a direct connection to the UPS servers. As you can see, we have 2 boxes that are ready to be filled and shipped. This shipment will be sent out UPS second day air. As you may recall, we overrode the ground shipment and requested a UPS second day shipment initially at the sales order. We can also integrate with a weigh scale in the warehouse, where we can put packages on the weigh scale and seamlessly bring those weights into the line item or box level. We can validate a ship to address again, as you saw in the original business partner master data screen. We can do things like select a residential address, or maybe this is a one-time ship to address. Let's go ahead and fill these 2 boxes. As you can see, we have a remaining quantity of 2, and we've put nothing in either one of these boxes. So we've selected the first line item. We'll add 1. We do have the option to autofill these boxes if need be. It's an option at the time of setup. We'll select the second box, and maybe we'll change this one. It is a medium-sized box, and maybe it's a custom box. Maybe it's not a standard box that we've got because we've had to cut something down or do something special. We do have the ability to override a box size and create a custom box on the fly. We've now updated this particular box, so it's being identified as a custom size box. Let's fill that box. We'll put a quantity of 1 in there, and you'll see that our remaining quantity is now 0. This shipment is ready to send out. But before we do that, let's go back and look. Maybe I want to do something like add a insured value to a particular box. I can simply highlight the line, right-click, select my package service here, where I can then identify the insured value type, select that, put in a currency and a monetary value to insure this particular box. You'll see here package service options for box number 2. So if we have multiple boxes in a shipment and only want to insure 1 or a variation of 1 in that particular shipment, we do have the ability to insure at the package level. Looking at the Billing Options tab, we also have the ability to override here and change this to a credit card type billing, third party, freight collect, or a consignee bill. As well, we could leverage some of the shipment notification services that are offered by the carrier itself. In this case, UPS Quantum View might be something we'd want to leverage to send out a notification. Now let's go ahead and complete this shipment by simply selecting the Ship button here. The ShipEasy solution went out to the UPS servers, told UPS what we're shipping in those boxes, and brought back to us tracking numbers for each one of these packages. Let's go ahead and take a look at the labels. Shipping labels appear for each one of the boxes. These can be printed automatically when the shipment is updated. Let's go ahead and update this shipment. We're brought back to the delivery screen. We'll simply update this delivery because it's now been completed. Now let's move ahead to the last step in the process, which would be to convert this sales order delivery into an invoice. We'll select the ShipEasy menu item here, ShipEasy Invoice Generator. You'll see we now have the opportunity to retrieve data from the shipping system and convert that to an invoice. We can select a posting date from and to, or we can select by document number range if we would like, or just from a posting date. Go ahead and select a document number range, and I'll use 137 and 138 as I think that was the last document we created, and say OK. You can see that a delivery processing screen now appears, where we have the ability to select shipments that we may want to convert or not convert into an invoice for whatever reason. We've got two shipments that we've created today. One was a UPS second-day air. The original method was ground. And the other is a FedEx shipment that we did a bit earlier. We can see the shipping expenses are made available here. We could override these if we would like at this time, or we can simply disable the ability to override the shipping expense amount. Let's go ahead and process these two shipments. You'll notice converting to deliveries to invoices appears in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Operation completed successfully. Now we can see that the delivery processing screen has been cleared. There are no shipments remaining that need to be converted to invoices on this given day. Now let's go back and look at the last invoice that was created in the system. By simply using the scroll button, we'll go back to the last invoice that was created, and we can see a new tab has been introduced, ShipEasy Tracking Numbers. By selecting the ShipEasy Tracking Number tab, I can see on this document, 138, which was the shipping document or delivery document, I can see there were two boxes and the tracking numbers that were associated with those boxes. As well, I have the option to track those packages from within SAP Business One directly out to the UPS servers. Thank you for attending this demonstration of the Third Wave Business Systems ShipEasy solution for SAP Business One. This concludes this brief demonstration. Please be sure to visit our YouTube channel for other demonstrations on the ShipEasy solution as well as other Third Wave Business Systems add-on solutions for SAP Business One. Thank you for your time today. If you would like more information about the ShipEasy solution or other Third Wave Business Systems solutions, please contact us at the information listed on the screen. Thank you.